Now the next part into the indole, that is the next is chemical reactions of indole. Chemical reactions of indole, in that we will discuss about first is electrophilic substitution type of reactions of indole. Now electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in indole on the third number position into the indole ring. Okay, third number position on the indole ring. So we get the three substituted product into the indole. Okay, let's see the examples. First is chlorination. Chlorination, it is takes place into the sulfur dioxide and the chlorine molecules. So the reaction between the indole and the sulfur dioxide and the chlorine molecules, it gives 3-chloroindole. That is the introduction of this chlorine group on the third number position of indole ring. So we get 3-chloroindole. Now also there is a removal of HCl and SO2 molecules. Okay, means this hydrogen from this indole group, it will be attached toward the one chlorine, so it become HCl and removal of the SO2, sulfur dioxide. Okay, this is about the chlorination. Next is sulfonation. Sulfonation means addition of sulfonic group on the indole ring. So SO3 means sulfur dioxide in the pyridine temperature 393 degree Kelvin. When reacted with indole, it gives indole sulfonic acid. Indole 3-sulfonic acid. Introductions of sulfonic group on the third number position, we get the indole 3-sulfonic acid. Okay, now the next is nitration. Nitration means addition of the nitro group on the indole ring. When the indole reacted with the compound, that is the acetic anhydride, it gives the reaction, that is the nitration. Okay, after that the NO2, nitronium ion, which is generated, it is acts as an electrophile. It will be attacked on the third number positions of the indole ring, and it gives the 3-nitroindole. It gives the 3-nitroindole. Okay, this is about the nitration. Now the next is Mannich reaction. Next is Mannich reaction. Mannich reaction, this reaction involves the reagent like the formic acid and ethylamine, diethylamine, and in the presence of the formic acid. These are the reagents of the Mannich reactions for formic acid and ethylamine. Diethylamine into the formic acid, these are the reagents of the Mannich reaction. When it reacted with indole, so it gives 3-dimethyl amino ethyl indole. So it gives the 3-dimethyl means 2 methyl group on the nitrogen, so it is the dimethyl amino means nitrogen ethyl indole. It is dimethyl amino ethyl indole it forms. Now the next this is about the Mannich reactions. Now the next reaction, it is the Gattermann-Koch synthesis. Next is Gattermann-Koch synthesis. In that we are using the HCl means hydrogen cyanide, HCl, and there is a applications of water molecules. It is called as the Gattermann-Koch synthesis. It gives the 3-formyl indole. It gives the 3-formyl indole. That is formyl group CHO. It is introduction on the third number position of indole. It is called as the 3-formyl indole. It can be given by the Gattermann-Koch synthesis. Now another, it is the Riemann-Tammann reaction. It also gives the 3-formyl indole. Now when reacted with indole, the Riemann-Tammann reaction involves the reagent, that is the carbon tetrachloride or CCl2. It is the carbon tetrachloride CCl3. Okay. Now also there is a presence of the methyl group. There is a presence of the chloroform as well as the KOH. These are present into the alkaline hydroxide. This reaction, it is called as the Riemann-Tammann reaction, and finally after the reaction with indole, it gives the 3-formyl indole. Okay, this is about the electrophilic substitution type of reactions of indole. Now next chemical reactions of indole, that is the reduction type of reaction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. Now first reaction here, Birch reduction. When lithium in liquid and ammonia, lithium in liquid and ammonia, it is called as the Birch reduction. These are the reducing reagents of the Birch reduction reaction. When reacted with indole, so we get 4,7-dihydroindole. We get the 4,7-dihydroindole. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 number position and 4th number position there is a saturation of hydrogen, so that it is called as the 4,7 dihydroindole. Okay, it is called as the Birch reduction. Now the next is reducing agent, tin into HCl or zinc with phosphoric acid. These are the next reduction reaction with indole. So it use 2,3 dihydroindole, means the first, second, third and fourth, means the second and third number position carbon having hydrogen, it becomes saturated, so it is called as the 2,3 dihydroindole. Okay, second and third number carbon saturated. Now the next third is 4 hydrogen gas molecules and in the presence of the nickel and temperature, it is called as the catalytical dehydrogenations of indole. So it gives octahydroindole. Octahydro means 8 hydrogen atoms will be added on each carbon atom, so we get octahydroindole. That is the complete saturations of the indole ring. This is about the reduction reaction. Now the next is oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Now when indole reacted with this benzoic acid, it gives the ring opening reactions of this spiral ring of the indole. It gives 2-formamido benzaldehyde. Okay, it gives the 2-formamido benzaldehyde. That is the complete ring opening reactions of the indole ring. Okay, now in this reaction, first of all, this 5-member pyrrole ring of the indole, it will be open into straight chain, so that the carbon here, third number and second number, will added 1 oxygen each. Okay, so CH become CH2 and NHCH become CHO. Okay, NH as it is, and here CH as it is, NHCH as it is, here CH as it is, but addition of oxygen here takes place. Okay, so here formation of CHO, NHCHO. Okay, so it is called as the 2-formamido benzaldehyde. It is 2-formamido benzaldehyde. Okay, CHO and benzene, it is called as the benzaldehyde, and remaining NHCHO, it is called as the 2-formamido benzaldehyde. Okay, this is about the oxidation and chemical reactions of indole.